In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to create TikTok shop affiliate videos with ease so you can start generating sales today. Alright, so once you create an account in Creatify, this is what the studio looks like. We have 3 credits, but it's not enough to be a full member, and so it leaves this watermark sign on there, which we don't want. So what we're going to do is we're going to buy it. Alright, it is what it is. We get 10 unique video ads for $39 a month, and this will go on a scale. The more video ads you want to create, the more it's going to cost. But if you were to pay someone to make your ads, this is way cheaper. If you're getting 10 unique video ads for $39 a month, that's about $4 an ad, where typically you would be spending, $30, $40, $50 per ad for someone to make it for you. So this is actually cheap. Alright, so I'm just going to do this real quick. I'm going to hit subscribe. Boom, gonna buy it. Because this stuff is powerful and I believe in it and I'm buying it right now. So there's going to be a link in my description. Make sure you buy it before you get started. Don't make the mistake I did. You don't want that watermark. It's going to hurt your chances of making sales. So now all we have to do is go over to create. We're going to hit create. And you can see here we got URL to video. Okay, you can post an Amazon link, Shopify link, Etsy, WordPress, all this type of stuff. Okay, you can also upload manually, and you can manually do this stuff yourself, and the AI will go to work for you. In this case, we have the solar eclipse glasses. 100,000 were bought this past month for $19.95, and people are grabbing this up because there's going to be a solar eclipse on April 8th. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take this link, we're going to copy it, and we're going to paste it right here. We're going to hit analyze URL. Alright, it's going to go to work for you. It has a product description in here, product name, and here we can edit the images. If we want some of these images you want to take out, they repeat themselves. Just take this stuff out. Take this stuff out. We're going to hit save. We're going to hit next. Alright, now I want it 60 seconds because I also want to be in the creator program, and that requires a minute long videos or more. And I'm going to write solar eclipse enthusiasts. Okay, 9:16. We're going to hit next, English. So now the AI is generating scripts for you. Alright, it's going to take some time. What I recommend is instead of having it do it for you, you're going to hit do it yourself. And for this script, all we have to do is go to TikTok, alright, put in the product name, it's Lunt Solar Eclipse Glasses. Okay. We're going to hit search. Alright. And we're going to look for glasses. You see these glasses? They already got a lot of views. So we're just going to search for the one that got the most views that promotes these glasses. But I don't want to take up all your time here. So this woman, she got 107,000 views promoting that product. I don't see anything better. This person got 6.8 million views with their video, but it's not showcasing the product. I'm just gonna go with this woman because she got a lot of views.
If you want to get the best experience out of the
so what we do is we're gonna go to talk script, type in talk script. You're going to go to TikTok transcript generator talk script. It's script.talkaudit.io, and you're going to paste that link, and it's going to extract the script. All you have to do is copy it. You go to ChatGPT, and you're going to put in, please remove time stamps on this script. Okay, I'm going to post it. Alright. So now that you have the script, we're just going to hit copy. We're going to go to Creatify. We're going to paste our script. Boom, just leave it like that, hit next. Now the AI is going to take this information, this winning script that's proven, because this woman was able to generate a lot of views on TikTok, and it's going to rewrite it in its own way and add all the videos in there. But there's a couple more steps, so just be patient. Walk through the video, watch till the end, and you'll get the whole understanding of how to create the videos. And this is super easy. It shouldn't take much time, and you could just draft. You can make 4 video ads or a day, you know, or 3 video ads a day, and draft them on your TikTok and just make a bunch of money. Here we go. And now all we want to do is just, there's the avatar, but we don't need that. And we're just going to do product.
The solar eclipse is coming. If you want to get the best experience out of the solar eclipse, then you should do these 3
Music
things.
off. I don't
First,
like the music
if
on.
you're anywhere near... The solar eclipse is coming. If you want to get the best experience out of...
And then product.
The solar eclipse is coming. If you want to get the best experience out of the solar eclipse, then you should do these 3 things. First, if you're anywhere near the line of totality, then you should make an effort to drive there to see it. You're supposed to experience complete darkness for about 4.5 minutes. Also, bring plenty of water and snacks because it's probably going to be a lot of people there. Second, protecting your eyes is crucial. You've got to get solar eclipse glasses. The kind I recommend is by Lunt Solar System. This is the company that built the $1 million solar observatory used by NASA. They for sure know what they're talking about, and they know what they're doing when they created these glasses. So, I highly recommend them. You definitely don't want a cheap imitation pair of glasses that might not be safe. Your eyesight is not worth it, so make sure that you get certified solar viewing glasses.
Boom. You're going to hit render. Obviously, we just purchased this, so we have 5 credits. We're also, what you could do before rendering is you can hit editor. Now, in the editor, we can change up some stuff. For example, we don't want the avatar. Captions, we can actually change them right here. You could do it like this, and you can raise them up. You can see.
Solar eclipse is coming. If you want to get the best experience out of the solar eclipse, then you should do these 3 things. First, if you're anywhere near the line of totality, then you should make an effort to drive there to see it. You're supposed to experience complete darkness for about 4.5 minutes.
And if you want to add more assets, here is where you add assets. So let's say we want to add this into here, okay? Boom. You can drag and drop it. All right. And now I can literally just add it to it right in this line. You see?
Also, bring plenty of water and snacks because it's probably... Solar eclipse is coming. If you want to get the best experience out of the solar eclipse, then you should do these 3 things. First, if you're anywhere near the line of totality, then you should make an effort to drive there to see it. You're supposed to experience complete darkness for about 4.5 minutes. Also, bring plenty of water and snacks because it's probably going to be a lot of people there. Second, protecting your eyes is crucial. You've got to get solar eclipse glasses.
So yeah, pretty much it just automatically creates it for you. If you want to add more assets, I recommend doing it before. You add your videos before it puts it all together, and that way it's easier to compile it. It'll compile it for you. After, it's a little bit more challenging, so just add all the videos you want before it creates this, and then you just hit render. We're going to hit render. Okay. So now it's giving you estimated time to finish up the video. Boom. And all you got to do is just airdrop it to your phone and you're done.